Okay, Larry, this uh, video is for you. Now, you're sending me emails regarding your account or your system. I don't know which system you belong to, but I'm going to try to explain it really simply for you. What we do is affiliate marketing. We use platforms such as Warrior Plus, ClickBank, Digistore, or JVZoo. So those are the four main affiliate places that I get affiliate links. What you do is you go there and you find a product to promote, and then they give you a link to promote that product. Now, what you do with that link is you get it out to as many people as you can, whether you're using Facebook, you're using Twitter, you're using TikTok, you're using social media, you're using YouTube, whatever it is. That is what your job is. So your accounts would be ClickBank account, JVZoo, and all these Warrior Plus, all these accounts are free. They don't cost anything to be an affiliate at these places. That doesn't cost anything to be an affiliate for the programs that you're promoting. Now, if you've bought some affiliate marketing programs, especially if it's a Warrior Plus product or a JVZoo product or even a ClickBank product, that will be a system. It will either have training in it that you follow along, it'll be video training, or it will actually be a platform where you're able to take those affiliate links from ClickBank, JVZoo, Digistore, or Warrior Plus and put them into that system. And then you would share the link of that system to that page, and that's how you would make your stuff. So I'm not sure what's your account, where's your money. I think you kind of think this is some kind of job. It isn't. If you're an affiliate marketer, you're your own business. You are your own store. You are you. So you need to really understand how it works. So again, let's go over it one more time. So you're going to go to, let's say you bought the 30K, the AI 30K system, which I just promoted. Now, what you will need to do is inside there will be products that you can promote. You need to go get an affiliate link for each of those products. And then once you get the affiliate link, you place it in where they tell you to paste it. And then you share that page that it's created for you to get people to go and either put in their email and then go to that affiliate link. That's how these systems work. So anybody who's watching this video, you're on my YouTube channel and you're just confused about affiliate marketing, that's how it all works. Like, you can't think of it as a job. No one's going to pay you just for sharing links. Something has to be sold, right? So you sign up for these programs, you find a product that you want to promote, and then you just go promote it. And it's really, really simple. People try to make it complicated and make it into like, oh, it's my job or something. No, it's a business. It's called a business. So hopefully, I'm making this video directly for Larry. I'm going to send it to you in an email. But if you're just on my YouTube channel and you came across this video, no, if you want my full training, I'm going to put a link below. I'm going to put the number one business I recommend promoting, and I'm also going to put in a link for my 10K a month training. So you want to click the links below, get signed up, check them out. And hopefully, Larry, this helps you understand a little bit more of where you're confused, because I think there's a disconnect between you getting a marketing email and joining something and then thinking that you have an account full of money. You probably don't unless you actually know what you're doing and you're promoting the products. Or you have an affiliate, because most of the time when people say, "Where's my money?" I say, "Well, send me your affiliate link," and they don't know what I'm talking about. So if they don't have an affiliate link, there's no way for them to make any money. So there would be no money in any account. All right. So again, if you're new to my channel and you're just watching, you're like, "Glenn, what are you talking about?" Check out some of the links below. Subscribe. I just teach people how to make money online uh, using different systems, and I do lots of training on how to use those systems. All right, guys. See you on the next one. Cheers.